Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this, Roman numerals, repetitive property. If you remember from the previous lesson, so we talked about subtractive property of Roman numerals. So now don't forget that this video is mainly for kids. So now for the parents or the student teachers or the teachers that are watching this, so you can recommend this to your kids in school or your children at home. So now I want to look at the repetitive property that is of Roman numerals. So now, what do you mean by repetitive? When any of these symbols, I mean the symbols of the Roman numerals we mentioned, like this we have under this board here. So we have I is 1, we have V to be 5, we have X to be 10, L in Roman numeral, this what is 50, we have C to be 50, L to be 50, we have C to be 100. C to be 100, then we have D to be 500, we have M to be 1000. So we need to take note of these symbols very well, so before we can do anything. So and you should know what they are represented. So now from here, you can see that we have X, XN. It means this X is repeated. We repeat this 2 times. So now it is very simple. So now what we are going to do is X from here. What is X? X equals to 10. So it's like what? It's like 10 plus 10. Okay? XX. So now when we had 10 to 10, so what do you have? We see what we have 20. Okay? So from here you conclude that XX is what? Is 20. Is that understood? So now we go further to the next question. CC. Now let's look at this, let's look this down here. You can see that we have what? We have C. What is C? C is 100, and that means C is repeated 2 times. So it will be 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100. So we are going to be having 200. So this implies that CC equals to 200. I believe you are getting it. Now let's look at the second, the third one. We have M. So now this M. So let's look at this. You can see that we have M. M is what? M is 1000. So now this is repeated 3 times. So we are going to be having 1000 plus 1000 plus another 1000. So to make it up to 3. So this is going to be 3000. Okay? So which shows that M is what? Is 3000. So now to the last one, we have I. You can see repeated 3 times. I means what? 1 here. You have 1 plus 1 plus what? 1. This gives what? This gives 3. So therefore you have I. This is going to give us what? This is going to give us 3. So now, and that is all we have for ourselves today. But before I round everything up, so I'd like to tell you to give you some notes you need to follow, because when you look at repetitive property, so there are some symbols we did not even mention here. Something like we have something like L here, we have something like D here. So let me quickly show you the reason why we cannot double or twice. We cannot repeat D and L. Let's say we have L. Don't forget that L is 50. Okay? Now, if we repeat this, let's say we have L. We said L is 50, this will be 50, and another L is 50. So we are going to be having what? 100. But don't forget that from the symbols of Roman numerals. So C is what is assigned to be what? To be 100. Do you understand now? So now if you have L will be what? Will be 100. So we have what? We have a particular symbol assigned to us to 100. So that's the reason why we cannot use L. We cannot repeat what? We can't repeat L. And at the same time D. When you have DD, this D is what? D is 500. Yes? Plus another 500. So now when you have 500 plus 500, this is going to give us 1000. And 1000 from these symbols is what is given to be what? It's given to be N. So now from this, we can't repeat this, okay, and this. So the only symbols that can be repeated is what? Is X, C, N, and I. So if you find this class very interesting, hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye.